Cheatgrass, Medusa head, and other native and non-native weeds and plants encroach on millions of rangelands across the country. These troublesome plants gravely affect the areas where they spread. They can suppress and starve native plants, as well as the primary food sources for animals, including livestock, before those plants even begin to grow. The troublesome plants can even promote soil erosion, as well as large, frequent wildfires. Here in Burns, Oregon, ARS scientists are using innovative research programs to restore our rangelands to their native, productive, and ecologically stable states. To control and reestablish perennial vegetation, researchers are employing a multi-step approach that includes controlled rangeland burning and applying a pre-emergent herbicide, followed by delayed seed planting. Researchers are also developing seed enhancement technologies to stimulate vegetation growth during difficult weather conditions.